Hey guys, day 2 of fishing at Hocking Hills. I'm all by myself today. We're not going in from the trail this time. We're going in from one of the sides of the lake. They did the trout release today. I got me a new fishing rod, open reel. But I don't know. How it would do. I said I'm all by myself today, so I may try some new spots. This video is probably going to be longer than yesterday's. We're about to see. We're getting out here a little late after the trout release, so don't know how it's gonna go. I got a feeling the trout are gonna be nice out, spread out throughout the lake, so don't really have any strategy for today. Today I have waterproof tennis shoes on, so we can see what happens. Quite the hiking to do here. Nice little hill. Let's go down here. This side of the lake I have been on before. We're on the opposite side today. I have been on this side before, but I'm not so sure about where to fish on it. Getting out on that tree wouldn't be a bad idea. Just gotta worry about falling in. I don't know if I'm gonna find there's another tree you'd get out on, but I don't know. Maybe we could find a spot up here. We have a down tree. Having to hike over. There's a nice little pocket back here. I think I'm gonna try fishing. Yeah, I'm gonna go down right in here. Yep, I'm gonna fish this little pocket back in here. Gonna do the same little rig setup today. Some weights. I'm on the shaded side of the lake today. Sun's behind me, so I can't really see what's in the water. Got a good feeling we're gonna figure out. From what I can see, looks pretty clear. If you guys want more POV videos, go ahead and comment. Oh, got caught on my fishing pole there. Guys, we just had some bites. Gonna fix my bait and then get it right back out there. Guys, we got a fish slamming the bait right now. So we're gonna see what's happening. We may get one. More bites, guys. Never really know what's gonna happen. There's something right here eating the bait, so about to see what happens. He's biting it every time. So I don't really know. About to find out. Nothing that time. Got some seaweed on it. That's about it. Better make sure rig's doing good here. Looks good. Hoping that fish is still here biting it. Nothing that time. I'm just hopping in the bay here. Nothing. I'm gonna cast out over there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have a visitor. Come here to help me fish. My visitor is just over there chilling, eating weeds and grass and whatever else you can find over there. I think here before too long I may switch up the spot or the bait, depending on how I'm feeling. I really know with fish, you could be sitting there and cast 7,000 times and not get a single bite, and then go somewhere else and catch it. Or you could be sitting there and, just casting 7 times, and then you get a fish. You just have no clue what's gonna happen. I'll do this. Goose over here. Give the goose a shout out. Just had some other hikers come on the trail. Today I did quite the assortment of different things at Hocking Hills today. I got my fishing pole this morning, and then I went and did a mountain bike trail at Hocking Hills, and then we went and did a hike. We went to one of the falls. I can't remember what it's called. Right now I'm just casting over by that goose, kind of back in this little pocket. See if anything's back in here hiding. Bite, bite. Getting bites, getting bites, getting bites. Nothing. It's a really nice day out here today. I think it got about 80 degrees or so. No clue, to be honest. Nothing. Let's go and get this cast. Trying to get it out, like kind of where the fish are swimming into this pocket. nothing that time. Kind of breaking the video. Come up here where I left my bag. It's good. It's good. That is berry Gatorade. Set my bag down there. I'm gonna give you guys a second to take a look at the lake. That white dot out there, someone else fishing. How beautiful. Come over here to my goose buddy again. Check him out. Trying a new POV where you guys get the reel and such. When I go back and watch the video, we'll see how that right there does. If you didn't watch the first video yesterday, I recommend fish. Tiny bass. Don't know if you guys can see it. Something light, nothing heavy. As Kendall Gray would say. Alright. Nice little fish. Better than nothing, you know. Well, I caught a fish. That's what I was hoping to do. I'm gonna go ahead and call it for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow or later tonight for a possible frog gigging video. Alright guys, we're in the same place again at a little later of the day. No, there's just a weird cut in the video, but it's day 3 still, and we're coming back to see if we can catch anything else. We are using the same rig because we had some nice luck with it earlier. We're gonna let this little guy do its thing. Our goose is gone. As I was walking over here, I spooked a mama duck and a bunch of babies. But other than that, I haven't seen any geese. I do hear some frogs. We just got snagged. Sorry about that random cut here not too long ago in the video, but just came out fish again, see if we can catch anything else. So we decided to see what we can do. So I brought the camera and keep getting snagged on this bush. And I'm tangled. I'm just kind of going for short stuff along the bank here, like I was earlier. I may have just got a bite, guys. Couldn't really tell. I don't know. Don't know if that's me getting like stuck on a branch or something, or I think it was a bite. I don't know. Oh, guys. Goose. There we go. Oh, there's my goose of the day, or of this trip. I don't know if you guys have seen that. That means there's something big over there. If something's jumping. I'm not very good at casting that way, so we're gonna see if I can get it over there. Oh, dang it. My line got. Look what I'm in right now. Hey, I got it over there. That's all that matters, I guess. Oh, I just seen it attempting to hit the top of the water. Let's see what I can do here. I got a good feeling that fish swam out to the middle. What just happened? Whatever happened was weird. Today I'm solo fishing, but I'm not solo fishing at the same time. Oh, we have a knot in my fishing line. Uh-oh. It's slowing us down. I don't know if you were able to hear that, but if you just did, those were some geese getting scared. I was going to try to make this a 10-minute video to add on to the other one. To add on to the first part of this video. But I may have to make it 12 minutes, so. That just ended up being really long video on YouTube. Well, guys, I ain't getting any bites. We're gonna try resetting my lure, because maybe that's a problem. Just, sliding it back up. I would try and make sure you guys could see, but when you're messing with fishing hooks, I don't think it matters that much. So I'm gonna try to keep my fingers, not stick a fishing hook through one of them on Easter weekend. That'd be quite a way to remember your Easter weekend camping trip. Stuck a hook through your finger. We're gonna go a little over my 12-minute video length that I was trying to hope to add on, but well, guys, came out a second time, didn't catch anything. It's whatever. Can't always get it. You ain't gonna get it every time. and wish yourself good luck, but doesn't mean you're going to get it every time. But if you keep in mind, we did catch one earlier today. So, it's a win in my books. I'm going to sit here for the rest of the night and just take in nature's beauty. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.